Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen gummy bears with Pepsi. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 100 to 150 gummy bears and a 12-ounce can or bottle of Pepsi. Also, grab a shallow, freezer-safe dish, like a baking pan or a glass container, that can hold your gummy bears in a single layer. Making sure everything is clean and ready will help this process go smoothly and quickly. Now, carefully spread your gummy bears in a single, even layer across the bottom of your freezer-safe dish. This ensures each gummy bear gets maximum exposure to the Pepsi. Next, gently pour about 1 cup of Pepsi over the gummies, making sure they are fully submerged. Let them sit and soak for approximately 15 to 20 minutes at room temperature. This allows the gummies to absorb some of that delicious soda flavor. Once your gummy bears have had a good soak, it's time for the freezing magic. Carefully place your dish into the freezer, making sure it's on a flat surface so the Pepsi doesn't spill. Allow them to freeze for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. For an extra firm and satisfyingly chewy texture, you can even leave them in overnight. The goal is to get them completely solid, transforming them into a unique frozen treat. After the freezing period, your delicious frozen gummy bears are ready to enjoy. Take them out of the freezer and use a spoon or a small spatula to gently separate them if they've stuck together. They make a fantastic, refreshing snack, especially on a warm day. If you have any left, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them back in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your unique, fizzy, and chewy treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.